Royal Family International Church presents Lagos Reigning in Life Conference, the 2024 edition, Season 1. Theme: Becoming a Wonder. Date: Sunday, 4th February 2024. Time: 3 p.m. Venue: Lagos Airport Hotel, Awolowo Road, Ikeja, Lagos State, Nigeria. Monday 5th through Friday, 9th February 2024. Time: 6 p.m. daily. Venue at Royal Tower, number 2 at Debola Tom Samson Street, off Obafemi Awolowo Way, Ikeja along Ikeja, Lagos State, Nigeria. With your hosts, Apostle Larry and Bishop Tom Samson, General Overseer, Christ Royal Family International Church.
Any power that place a limit over you, that say you will not lift up your head, you will not lift up your hands, you will not excel beyond where you are. As your hair very so loud, carpenter spirit will scatter them.
Guest minister Apostle Sudaka Rao, all the way from India, Glorious Christ Church. Also ministering Prophet Isaac Anto from Ghana.
We have about 5 children. I want to use you to pray for one of child called Onome.
For more information and inquiry, please call +234 80 231 71994, or you can also call 080 513 51386. Come expecting your miracle, healing, deliverance, and breakthrough. Don't miss it. Be there.